I'm Frank. I'm all about fashion design. I have diploma in fashion design from TUT, Tshwane University of Technology. My accolade includes working with Mr. Price under the theme Menswear Scott Talent under SA Fashion Week. It was like an exposure where they expose young designers to the world of fashion. I'm also the proud winner of Limpopo Sports, Arts and Culture Award category Best Fashion and Textile Designer. And today, I find myself in a delightful position. I'm working out of the AM.CO head office in Johannesburg, where I have full access to amazing machines like sublimation printer, on which I'm able to make my own design become a reality, and the oil roller heat press that transfer the sublimation print onto the fabric. I'm really excited about the quality that I achieve on those machines. And I'm now able to put my handiwork into whatever my imagination desires, like this unique creation that I'm preparing for my client. Well, I like it, and I hope she likes it too. Come on over to AM and take a look at these machines for yourself. They're really amazing.
At AM.CO.za, we sell machines for you, we fix machines for you, and we teach machines for you.